G'day guys, welcome to the next vid. I'm going to do a bit of a rundown on a camper I built 12 months ago. Bit of a DIY, built out of a tradesman camper. I've given it a run for the last 12 months and used and abused it, so I thought I'd give it a bit of a rundown. I'll whack a little bit of a video up of one of the last trips I took it on. So what I'll do is I'll pop it up and give you all a look at it, walk around, and I'll let you know what I'm going to improve on and what I'm going to change and what's next with the build and my thoughts. So see you soon. G'day guys, welcome along. We're just headed south at the moment, currently looking for a camping spot down here, Wellington Dam for the weekend. So we've all pulled Friday off work. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-ish cars. I think somebody else is coming down to meet us later. Just going to be a chill weekend at the dam, hopefully a bit of fishing and just general good times and a bit of bush therapy. So I'll bring you along. Cheers. Alright, camp spot found. We're just setting up now. Going to throw a fishing line in, but I think before that might mix up a few drinks. So I'm going to go back to camp and see what we got.
Math. Math.
The secret recipe that I'm not allowed to show my wife.
Math. Fuck you.
Yeah, us at Mate Trucks, we do the best pina coladas. It's fucking great.
No, I'll just put music over this, eh? Give us a bo peep for what you're cooking, Cransy.
Hey, I'm not cooking it.
Have you double clicked those bad boys? They work. Righto, so I may as well start at the front here. It's got the Trig off-road polyblock hitch, and then I've got a Roller brand gas bottle rack with this thing here. I don't know if you can see it, but that tab there actually bent up on me once when I was out forward driving. I don't know if I was just a bit rough on it or what, but definitely something to keep an eye on if you've got one of these little suckers. Pelican box, pretty strong, keeping there. Spare wheel hubs, tools, grease, bearings, the winders, wheel braces, all that sort of stuff. Land Cruiser spare wheel. It's got Land Cruiser 5-stud pattern, so split rim, spare. And then this is just a old skeleton out of a laser cutting rack. So that's been rolled up just to fit the spare. And then we just hold it down there with a ratchet strap. So Land Cruiser stud pattern. I think these are a 32-inch tyre it works out at. 2-inch lift to hold them in a heavy duty axle. 160 watt, pretty sure it's a cheapie from King's, but the battery's never flat with that. And if I'm using everything's cranked on it, like there's an oven and whatnot in there, I have a 240 watt fold out style as an auxiliary, so there's never any dramas with that. Here we've got fold down style legs, support jacks, whatever you want to call them. Coming around the back, we just got a couple of lights at the back in case we're working. The plan is eventually to put a swing out on here for a shower sort of tent. So in here we have the control panel. Again, budget buy from King's. All the switches, lights, water pump, fuse box, solar controller. On the side here is a step-up converter to help boost the travel oven. There is a set of lights inside, run by here. And these are magnetic. You can click them off. Click them wherever you want. So far they've been pretty good on the tracks and haven't come undone. 45-50 litre water tank. And that's plumbed into down here. Let me see it. It's down here, there's a 6 litres per minute kick-ass water pump, which is awesome. And I just run one of these little spiral hoses here, which is also good for a shower or just to clean the mud down or whatever you need. Battery box, I think it's 120 AGM battery in here. No dramas at all with that, and like I said, I run an extra fold out solar panel if I need it. Obviously up top got just the King's tent, pretty old school design. That cost me next to nothing. Yeah, great condition, me and the kids up top here. And we also comes with the zip in awning on the ground, so when the wife's with us, I'll put the air mattress in the bottom here. And so I've beefed this up a little bit and put a lock on the back. When you drop that down, just a set of drawers. And they've got the fridge style slide there, just this set from King's. I think I picked these up from $100 from a wrecking yard. So yeah, with the top fridge slide out at the back here, perfect space for the barbecue. And then you've got set of lights there, putting a bit of light on everything for you. Just folded the tent over so you can just see the little rack I made, and then that follows on just so you can mount this on. Very easy, very simple. Extra little grommet there for when I run 12 volt up into the tent, just for some lighting and maybe charge your phone overnight. Probably last but certainly not least is this old Iron Man fridge. I've had this thing forever, never put a foot wrong. So that's it. There's a few things left I want to do to it. I do want to put rubber seals through it, just because on some of these red dirt tracks I've opened it up and she's got a bit in there, but that's no big deal. Paint, man, I put money aside to paint it. I've still got it sitting there and been toying with the idea of Raptor coat, but one of those jobs I'll get to it. The way it is now, she's rough ready. It's proven itself already on the tracks. I wouldn't take it on something like the Give River Road, but anything around Perth in the southwest, this is a great little camper. So I mean, I think if I had to put a dollar value on it, I bartered for a lot of stuff, second hand for a lot of stuff, and even the stuff that I bought new, I bought everything sort of on a budget. I think this whole thing probably owes me $3 grand, including buying the trailer. I just waited for a good deal on that. Man, if you're looking for something cheap, I recommend it. Tradie trailer, rooftop tent on top, can't go wrong. If you've watched this far, guys, cheers. Catch you on the next one. Alright.
We're going to have a great time.